If you want to remove SIM card on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then you need to use the pin that is included inside the box of the device, and we need to open the SIM tray, which is located at the bottom of the device over here on the left side. And here on this left side we have this hole, and we need to insert the pin into that hole. There we go. And once you insert it, you want to push it so that the SIM tray comes out a little bit. And then of course you want to use your fingers in order to take out the SIM tray. Now I have SIM cards on both sides, as you can see. And in order to remove them, I can try to gently push it from the bottom, or try to like bend it, but just slightly so that you don't break it, just a little bit of force. And you can try to push it from one side or the other. Or you can try to like tap it with your hand and it might come out. And that's pretty much it. After that, of course, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the device. So of course, take a look where the hole is. And we need to, of course, match it. So there we go. Push it with your finger and make sure that it is fully in. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!